Good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me? Yes, perfect. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Nice. Perfect. All right. Okay. All right, let's see. Thank you for the follow. Skid Slow, thank you for the 7 months donation. That's streamers. Streamer talk. All right, let's get chopped out. Gold light. I'm buying SPY calls 394 stop. Let's see what happens. This should. Let's see if it rips down lower. This would be a brutal bull trap. Who knows? Anything can happen. $50 SMA is acting as resistance. We need a break above 394.50. NASDAQ 50 SMA is also acting as resistance, and 291 is major resistance on the NASDAQ as well. We finally got one close above the 10 SMA though on the SPY, the NASDAQ, and the IWM. Let's see. Let's see if buyers can keep this momentum going. We need a nice break above 395 very soon. Or else this is a very good shorting opportunity. But let's see if they want to squeeze out the shorts. 395.50 needs to break. Unfortunately, we should. 1 second. Let's see. Let's take a little bit of profit. We should always try to solidify some profit. Nice little 10% scalp. We don't want to marry the potential. You don't want to so basically you don't want to marry the potential move to the upside being continued. All right, once it shows you something at 10%, you take a little bit of profit, and then the rest, especially for something like this, especially when the day is down, obviously it's easier to trade alongside the momentum, but things have been choppy. We clearly saw for the past like 20 minutes, just every bullish setup was a bull trap. So yeah, $395.50. That's more than $1. Oh, I meant to say, I didn't mean I meant to say 394.50. Sorry. But also, make sure, obviously, don't let the contracts go red. But yeah. Let's see if we can get into shorts here. Let's just wait. $394.05. 394 is literally like it was the level that we went long against. So if they're gonna try to hold it or break below 394 is very important. But we never got that close above 394.50. So let's see. Once again, are they going to make it a bear trap? Try to squeeze out some bears. Hope everyone's been having a good day so far. And I hope you guys have a really good weekend as well. I'm gonna buy light SPY puts. This can easily rip right back up. Light, this is a light position, but I think that the momentum should fall unless they hold 394. It's not falling as much as it should be, which means that there's buyers still holding this up above 394. But generally, this setup should have, since this is at the bottom of the day, basically, there's more buyers. But generally, this setup should have like puked. But it is what it is. Why is the market so slow? I'm gonna take some profits. And yeah. The longer this takes to fall down, the worse it is for bears. So this needs to collapse basically. This needs to collapse and hold below 394. Now it should like free fall. It should be free falling. That's the issue. But it's not. $393.50 should be on the table. It should have already broken down below $393.50, but the NASDAQ is at major support, $290.30, and that's holding it up basically. Yep. All right. Let's go long 394. Stop again. Let's see if they continue it up. Let's see. 50 SMA is acting as resistance again. We got to close above the 10 SMA for everything again as well. Let's see if there's enough firepower. Nice. All right, perfect. Take some profits, guys. Take some profits and leave runners. Let's see if we can hold 394.50 for once. And then once again, obviously, do not let this go back red. And yeah, man, 394.50 major resistance. 290.91 major resistance on the NASDAQ. Good. Did you guys hear going long? Can you guys hear me? Damn, dude. Yeah, I mean, obviously, like, fudge. I mean, it's all good. But we went long. I mean, I went long. I hope someone hope. Damn, dude. But yeah, I went long on the big green candle at 10:43 with a 394 stop. Obviously, if you guys whatever. But basically, after a big green candle like that, I went long, and I really hope you guys heard the long. But yeah, because this freaking play, yeah. Did you guys hear the trade at all? All right, you guys heard right before mute. Oh, thank God, bro. Okay. Yeah, I was about to get very upset. But yeah, all right, perfect. Whew, nice. Yeah. All right, let's look for another play. Let us look for another play. Whew, nice. Hmm. Mm, hmm. Damn it. uh, for what time frames I'm using? The 1 minute time frame. Did RSI and MACD help you make that call, or was it indicative of the price action you saw mainly? Um, it was. Are you talking about the long? It was price action on the NASDAQ, and basically, it looked like we were about to cross up above on the MACD as well. I'm using the 31016 MACD, so the numbers might be off on your screen. Thank you for the follow. If this wicks down to like 392, like if it just free falls like $2 intraday, I might get some swing longs for like a month out, for a few weeks out maybe. Ooh. Ooh, I love the bull trap. Oh man, if this breaks down lower. so many people so many people went long at 10:53. Oh no, that sucks. Hmm. Oh, it's funny. They're playing with people right now. Yeah, they're trying to give a lot of people. They're trying to show a lot of high quality, like tight setups. Basically, like you could go long, short with like in multiple different instances. But then they're deliberately chopping you out. So that's the tough part about trading this price action right now. Last trade of the day, I'm going to be SPY calls 390, 390 stop. Let's see if we get a pop. But it's going to be the last trade. And yeah. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. $290.30 is major support and resistance on the NASDAQ. We gotta close above the 10 SMA on the SPY, but the 50 SMA is acting as resistance on the SPY. Not as big of a pop as I wanted, but you have to take some profit. This was a very terrible move, but basically the contracts are barely moving, so this usually leads to more upside. But the fact that the profit isn't that high, it just sucks, because if they rip it right back down to 394, then the contracts are going to be red. So they're not making it easy. Like in the onset, so basically when the market chops around, right? The early moves when it stops chopping. So yeah, for the rest of these, I'm gonna have a 87 stop loss. But when the market is chopping around, right? The first moves don't often give a lot of money, right? So if it's chopping around for a while and then it pops up, it doesn't always give a lot of money. It needs to continue going up, and then when it's up here and it continues going up, that's when the contracts give the most. All right, but yeah, that being said, markets are very choppy right now. There isn't that much fluidity, unfortunately. They're painting a lot of pretty pictures, but they're not maintaining the direction. Let's see if we can hold on. Let's take last trade. Taking SPY calls. Last trade. Last trade. Show me something. All right, that didn't work. I'm gonna sell, call it a day. Happy Friday. Let's not overtrade. This is very, very weird, choppy price action. Hopefully after 11:30, 12, the market will be more fluid. And then if we fall, basically, if we, oh, wait a second. We're just gonna have to. Yeah, no, today's not a day to trade a lot. But anyway. If the market falls a lot intraday, then we can get into some swings. But if we get a pop upwards, if we get a strong move to the upside, we can short. But right now, the market isn't really in a safe spot to swing in either direction, because we can easily fall much lower and then we can easily rip to the upside. So it's more of a time to like day trade, because you could buy some swings right now, but there's no guarantee that the market is going to continue isn't going to continue falling. So yeah, that being said, damn, this isn't like a safe trade. Yeah, this would be a perfect opportunity for them to just rip it down. I'm gonna take light SPY calls with a 95 stop. Wow. I'm gonna sell and I'm gonna hold on to runners. I don't want to overtrade. And yeah, I'm not too convinced of this either. But as long as 394.50 can hold, then this will be fine. But make sure you guys have solidified profits. We still have to break above 394.85, which is coinciding with VWAP. So if we break above that, I don't think that this setup right now is going to have enough strength to break above that. But if it does, then this is purely going to be a short squeeze. But I don't know that we're gonna have I don't know if we're gonna have the firepower. But yeah, I'm glad I shared that with you guys. Telling the stop loss really helped. Telling the stop loss really helped me want to share it. This is it. IWM big strong move. The NASDAQ closed above the 10 for 2 candles. And it just closed above, oh, sorry, closed above the 50 for 2 candles. So let's see if it can hold the 50 and bounce off. This is going to be a add-on opportunity for late bulls with 394.50 as a stop. So it's going to be interesting to see if they can hold that level and rip it up. Is this going to be the little break that we needed basically to break above, like a resting period? Is this going to be the resting period for bulls to take some profits and for late bulls to enter for a potential break above 394.80 resistance and VWAP? Let's see. So far not that great, but let's see. But again, you're just make sure you guys now just don't let this go back red. Unfortunately, this isn't like exploding as much as it should. But it is what it is. See a big rip. See a big rip to the upside. Ooh, interesting. If they make this a bull trap, that would be a very good shorting opportunity, to be honest, because this is a very bullish setup. And if they rip it down and then they close it below 394.50, we would have to go short. Very nice. Perfect. Nice. All right, did you guys enter into this? Did this work? Hello, can you guys hear me? All right, good. Nice. Very nice. Cool, guys. Yeah, quick little day. Now we're testing 394.80. Let's see if we can get a close above VWAP on the SPY. The IWM is also trading right below the 200 SMA. Lots of resistance here. So. %. If they ooh, interesting. All right, I'm gonna sell and call it a day. All right. Virtually up and down. Check emails when possible. Yep. Message. Doing good, man. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Also, QQQ seems like a falling wedge. Ooh, maybe, yeah, that would have helped. Yeah, it did. Yep, absolutely. Ones, nice. Nice to see the ones. Hi sir, please analyze US 30. I was about to leave. Yeah, I'm about to leave. Just don't overtrade. Overall, right now, everything, just, it's tough to say which direction everything is going to go. There's obviously going to be, like, you know, support and resistance levels and everything, but I'll take a look at the SPY and which levels need to break above, and then basically if we yeah, so basically if we close above 397 or if we fall down to 392, at those two areas I'll be a buyer. But anything right now, it has to be day traded, and the bias and the momentum is still bearish. But if we fall very, very heavily intraday, then that increases the likelihood of a bounce. Or if we have a very, very strong bounce intraday and close, then that also increases the likelihood of a bounce. But currently, right now, everything just needs to be day traded. And yeah, everything just needs to be day traded. And until we get a break above like today's high comfortably, then at least 395.50, 396, at least above 396. That's when we can start like comfortably leaning more bullish. But yeah, I mean, so far clearly like we just bounced, so you can trade this momentum to the upside. But overall, I'm talking about on a daily chart, the momentum is still bearish. So yeah. All right. Love you guys. Take care. Have a good one. Love you guys, man. Take care, and I will see you guys Monday. Guys. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Make sure you guys get a lot of rest. Next week is going to be very, 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 very fun. Next week is going to be very, very fun. So I hope. Yeah, man. Love you guys. I will check the email soon, my brother. Yeah. I love you guys, man. I'm glad the internet and everything got fixed and then came on. And yeah, man, I'm glad the plays worked out. I hope everyone got in all of them and everyone is green. And yeah. Cool. 1 second. Oh, 1 moment. 1 moment, please. 1 moment, everybody. Oh. How could I forget? How could I forget? Hope you guys have a spectacular weekend. I love you guys. Take care. Have a good one.